before we can talk about converting one unit of measure to another, we want to think about just what it means to be a unit of measure and what it means to convert between them. So suppose I tell you that I have 3 quarts of milk in the refrigerator. That means if I go to the refrigerator and look inside, I'm going to see 3 little 1-quart jugs of milk, maybe. Or maybe I'll see a bigger jug of milk that's partway full, but has the same amount in it as I would get if I took each of these 3 and poured them in here. So when I tell you I have 3 quarts of milk, you don't know if I have 3 1-quart jugs, or if I have a bigger container that has the same amount as the 3 1-quart jugs could have. And it doesn't matter. I'm just telling you how much milk I have, not how I'm storing it. But now if I ask you how many cups of milk is that, and I tell you that 1 quart is 4 cups, I mean, if I took one of these 1-quart jugs and poured it into cups, and I don't mean just any old cup, I mean 1 cup measures, each of my little quart jugs would fill up 4 1-cup measures. If I do that 3 times, I find that my 3 quarts fill up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cups. So 3 quarts of milk is the same amount as 12 cups of milk. We write 3 quarts equals 12 cups. What did we do? We saw that 1 quart equals 4 cups. And then what did we use? We used multiplication. If I wanted to go all the other way around, then I would say each group of 4 of my cups is the same as 1 whole quart. So I would use division. Either way, unit conversions are a job for either multiplication or division. To go from a smaller unit like cups or inches to a larger unit, quarts or feet, we should divide. Why? A quart is bigger than a cup, so the same amount of milk is going to fill fewer of them. If I want to measure the same amount of milk in quarts as opposed to cups, I'll have a smaller number of quarts. Division will give me a smaller number. To go from a larger unit, like miles or gallons, to a smaller unit, like yards or pints, we should multiply. Why? Same logic. For example, a yard is shorter than a mile, so to measure the same distance, we need more yards than we do miles. Now, the tricky part here is deciding whether we want to multiply or divide, and keeping track of all of the numbers. In the next video, we're going to see a technique for keeping track of both of those things, called dimensional analysis.